Okay, I'm going to crack my fingers, but I got my new pants today. I almost look like a nurse or a doctor because of the blue pants. It's the same. See, it's the same make. Huh, the material almost feels different. Interesting. But these ones are new, so yeah, I wonder if the pockets feel the same. Let me see. Oh, that's the back of my pocket. Yeah, the material feels different. I wonder if that's just because they're new. I wonder if that's just because they're new. But they're still comfy. I like it. Yes. Thanks for watching.